I had them, I would give them to you. Yeah, Amber apologizes. She dropped off a bunch of stuff right as I left yesterday morning, or yesterday afternoon. You'll get a progress report today. I'm thinking in about an hour, I'm going to go up there, take all the papers she gave me, enter them in the grade book, email you a progress report so you'll have your grades. I apologize, John. Thank you for bringing it up. I appreciate that. She does say she's sorry. She's teaching and taking a class right now, and she just got hammered this week. So apologies from her, and I will definitely get you those grades within 2 hours. You'll have a progress report in your mailbox waiting for you. Lauren, thank you, and everybody else who noticed that that snowfall quiz was missing. That was some computer glitch that actually corrupted the document, the progress report document. So you all do have the quiz in there. Oh. It's just that 1 week I sent it out, it was missed the field. The way I set your progress reports up, it's a field that calls from a spreadsheet. So what it does is these little brackets, and then it's got the name of the quiz. Somehow, I don't know how this happened still, that got erased. So nobody got a grade in there, even though the grade was still in the grade book. Oh, so it's fixed now, and the next progress report, everything's fixed in Bomber and Go. You may have noticed, you probably didn't actually, you may have noticed that you had, let's say you had 8 quizzes visible on the progress report, and it said, remember, you have one more quiz to do. Well, 8 plus 1 is not 10. Because the grade book knows you had 9 in, it was only showing you 8. So it was in your grade, it just wasn't showing on your progress. But that will be fixed. Back to the office, have my lunch, get some progress reports, computer work, fix up all. I just found an error on the schedule page, we'll fix that too, although it doesn't affect you guys, it's 244. Hi!
That's the one that we did in class, right?
Yeah, it's one of the ones you did in class. That's why everybody should have a 10 on it. Okay. Which, if you look at your progress reports, why is there nothing here? That's why. It's because it went by me. I didn't even realize. I didn't think you could look.
Grade then.
It won't. No, it won't. It was already calculated in your grade. Sorry. Oh, you guys are doing great. Come on now. I've been watching your quizzes as they come in and watching the numbers go down. I predict a lot of zeros left now. I mean zeros in a good way, like no more quizzes to do. Zeros, not zeros on quizzes, obviously. Don't forget, test corrections you can still do up to the end of next week. If you haven't done those yet, the exam corrections. Remember that coupon? And don't forget that you have a quiz coupon if you want to correct the quiz. If you got like a 2 or something on a quiz, you want to fix that and get it in.
How late can you turn that in?
Let's make it the end of next week. How's that?
The end of next week.
Yeah, how about that? Because that way you can look at the quizzes you get back on Tuesday from me. And if you didn't do so hot on those, you can fix those. And that way you can also get ones back next week.
Yeah.
These. And if you didn't do so hot on those, you can get those turned in 2.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
It does.
Ish.
So if we can't fix the ones that we do next Thursday in time to get it.
I was thinking about that. I don't think you can just because of the turnaround.
True, we wouldn't get those.
Right? You wouldn't get it back unless you came to my office, which of course you could do and grab. I'll have them in the grade book, and as soon as I get those graded, I'll put them in the grade book and send you a progress report before your exam. But you can always come back. If you get those back, you can come back, grab them, and I give them to you then. That's totally fine if you want to do it that way. Yeah, and we can make it happen. Sure.
We're not turning the exam until we come in and meet.
That's right. That's not due for a couple weeks. Yeah, a couple weeks. And you guys, is it Thursday or Tuesday for you guys?
Thursday.
Is it Thursday? Okay, perfect. Even more time. I think both my classes have it on that same day, which is great. Corbin, yeah.
If we turn in our exam, our final exam early, we get it graded early, so if we...
I won't. And not because I'm a bastard, maybe I'm a bastard, but I do that because I like to grade exams I like to grade anything 1 question at a time, because that way I can see if I'm asking, I change questions so much. I'm one of those annoying profs that's always trying to tweak and I'm like Doc Brown from Back to the Future. Morty! So I'm always tweaking and trying to bring assessment better. So I look at every single person's performance on 1 question at a time to see trends in answers, to see and I make piles before I assign points. Like, this person got it completely, this person got most of it, made a stupid math error, this person has no idea what they're doing. And then I look at the piles. If that pile is huge, then the question sucks. So I've got to throw the question out. And see what I'm getting at? So I can't grade you in isolation because I have to see how you play out with the entire group. Does that make sense? But I promise you, as soon as your stuff is graded, which will be probably on Friday of exam week, you'll get your last progress report probably with that grade in there.
Well, what I was hoping was that, like, I get it in early and I totally book and I can use, like, my little coupon thing.
Well, there's no coupon for the second exam.
Oh.
It's only the first exam. It's only exam number 1. So don't, you're not going to blow anything. Come on now. I know you guys by now. Yeah, crap. So, let's stick with IQ for a second. Thank you for the questions on assessment. I appreciate that. Do this one without manually calculating anything. Or without actually writing down. Answer this